All right, guys, so I'm going to give you a quick review or show you what's happening to my F250. Basically, the battery terminals don't look that bad. I mean, what you see on there is actually protection and a little bit of pollen. This battery over here did show some corrosion on the clamp or to hold it down, but I've removed the battery cables and cleaned them, trying to get a better connection to make sure that's not what it is. But what I'm going to show you is that it appears everything else on the truck works. And the lights seem to be bright. I've shone the lights and they seem to be bright if I turn on the lights off auto. But this is the symptom that I have inside the truck. Key in, keyless ignition, lights on, nothing. No dash, no accessory. The radio will come on. Well, it did, but anyway, yeah, there we go. So the radio does come on, but I can't get accessory power. It's like nothing works. So I'm gonna go get new batteries to put in, because the only hint that I had that there was a problem was that the battery dragged like a few weeks ago. The battery was dragging, and I have corrosion on top of the one battery. I did check water levels. Water levels look good. That is from the, what you see there is actually from the clamp and the rust below. I'm cleaning that. I'm going to touch it up and paint it. Truck is out of warranty. This is 2017. Batteries are 5 years old at least, and the truck sits quite a bit actually, because I don't drive it that often. But yeah, I'm going to go get batteries, report back, and see if that fixes it. Okay, so after pulling the batteries, this battery doesn't look like it's leaked that much, no more. I mean, I do get the red indication, period. I mean, but it's mostly stays black actually. But this is the battery from the driver's side. We can definitely see we've been having some stuff go on with this battery. So anyway, I'm gonna go replace both of them, report back, and see how it goes. Hopefully I get my dash and it starts. All right, so this is the current state after changing both batteries. Lights flashing. I hear a relay in the box. I cannot isolate which relay it is. I pulled all of them and it continues to click. I don't know which one it is. Basically, it looks like the alarm has been set. Interesting enough, only one fob is working. When I go to start it, this is after battery replacement. Regardless of where I put the key or what key, trying that, this is what I get at the start. Nothing. It appears that the navigation keeps rebooting. I have nothing on the dash. I have changed batteries. I have charged the batteries. I have checked all the connectors that they say are normal. At this point, I'm kind of lost. The only thing is the truck's set. It's when I parked it, it was running fine. When I went to start it, this is what I have after complete battery replacement. I don't know what's causing this. Some point I'm at the flatbed at the Ford.